Hi guys, welcome back to the channel here. So this is the chart of the Nifty. I'm going to tell you what is the next 2 week strategy and where are we going to see the Nifty and Bank Nifty, right? So if you look at this is the chart of the Nifty over here. So continuous fall for the 4 consecutive days, right? We had starting from 28th of June, it continued till here, that is the 1st of July. So most of us had the expectation that 1st of July onwards we will be having the reversal in the Nifty and the Bank Nifty. That means more or less we wanted to see the Nifty and Bank Nifty to the higher side. But still the hope is there and people are looking and the traders are watching for this, that market will turn around, right? Now for me, if you look at this side, this is the daily chart of the Nifty here. So I have a shot of the trend line here on the upper side and on the higher side where it is going to get the resistance, right? And if you look at here, still there is a lot of like a kind of confusion phase. Market is trying to face here like a stiff the resistance that will be 15,800 810. This is going to be a really a resistance in near term for the Nifty, and once it comes out of it and gives any single closing above the 15,800, remember the market is going to break very soon this high, that is the high, we call it 15,950, and we are going to see Nifty 16,000 plus, and this is likely to happen in next week itself. That is what we are looking into, and in order to understand that what sort of the move will be there in Nifty, we need to find it out in the small time frame, right? We're trying to figure it out what has happened in the Nifty today in 15 minutes chart. This is the 15 minutes chart of the Nifty here. So how did react, right? So this is the 2nd of July as it happened, and this is first. So market opened gap up, but it didn't really sustain on the top, and it faced again this resistance near this zone. This was the shown area, that's 15,700, right? Almost right. So from here it has taken us a very good support over here, so 15,636, and I was trailing even the days back that 16,000, 15,600 and 610 will be a first support where it is going to take the support which will take the market to the other side. So if you look at from here, what the buying has taken place significantly, and it really gave a new breakout of this level that is called 15,700, and this is something good, and it has managed to close above this. This is also a good sign. That means 15,000 almost in the same point, right? So market Monday likely to open gap up, but that will not be there so much of gap up what I look at here, but market will try to face this challenge. First challenge will be here for the market, 15,780 and on. And once he comes out of this, this is the zone where it is going to face really a resistance here, 15,830 and 40 will be. Once it comes out of it, we are going to see a good rally in the Nifty as well, right? So this will be the analysis for the Nifty for near term, especially in the coming week. And Bank Nifty also we need to understand how it is going to react and react in coming week, and in order to understand this, we'll see in the daily time frame, right? So daily time frame will be telling you that what it has happened actually in the Bank Nifty as well. So many traders have the expectation that Bank Nifty is really underperforming, so we are waiting to see a big move in the Bank Nifty. So where we can look at here, let us have a short of trend line here that will help us to understand where it is going to take the next support, right? So this will be the zone, right? I would rather say any closing intraday basis below this, and that means this is the trend line below this. That means again there will be another fall for the Bank Nifty, which might even bring to 33,550, which is very likely to not happen that, right? But now from here we are likely to see the market reversing on the other side, or once it crosses this one 35,650 is going to give a very huge run and the bull in the Bank Nifty. So that is what in the Bank Nifty is going to happen. Now, in order to understand what has happened